Hey everyone, this is your Minion of the East, and welcome back to the Death Battle Reactions in Season 7. And apologies for not getting the season premiere last time on here. Something borked up on my end, and I couldn't even get the reaction out. So I apologize if anybody was looking forward to the reactions, because I actually liked the episode, just for a heads up, but that episode was just completely wiped out and I couldn't even get the reaction out. So again, apologies. So making it up right here for watching the actual first season 7 episode reaction on this channel, which will be Sindel versus Black Canary. Oh boy. Given Mortal Kombat's reception lately, they've been getting like a good track record of victories on this show. We've had Scorpion win, Sub-Zero win. Oh no, not Katana, but yeah. And Shao Kahn, jeez. Almost every single, I believe, Mortal Kombat character we've had on the show had a victory at some point. I mean, the only one I can remember that didn't win was Sector. But anyways. Who do I think will win this death battle? I honestly think this is going to go to Black Canary. While Sindel, I think, has the stronger abilities and physical strength, I think Black Canary's got Sindel beat not only with her wide range of martial arts and prowess. She was able to take on beings like Superman and Wonder Woman. Heck, she was even trained by Wonder Woman at some point. And Black Canary was able to react to Superman's intercontinental flight across the planet. So both have good reaction speeds, especially with Sindel being comparable to that of taking on not Cyrax, Cabal's fast speeds against a machine gun. But again, I think that the victory for this death battle will be Black Canary. Despite how Mortal Kombat can be over the top and have strong combatants, sometimes you're going up against a DC comic book heroine. Those people are ridiculously strong. But anyways, I'm skipped ahead to the full episode. Not the full episode, to the fight. If you want to see the full episode, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. So that said, let's get to the death battle in 3, 2, 1.
All right, the combatants are set, and we've run the data through all possibilities.
It's time for a death battle! Here we go! Oh, jeez.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Oh, jeez, that hair!
Enough of this farce, Earthrealmer. Behold your queen.
What the heck was that hair sprite?
From your bones.
What the heck? Nice, Shao Kahn. Okay, now it looks better. Somewhat. It's just a respray Taokaka sprite. Oof. X-ray. Ah. There was a leg. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh,
No
ouch.
kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Woo! Ooh. Uh-oh.
Bring out the thing here.
Nope. Not Mortal Kombat. Yep. You fight to the death. Alright. Come on, Black Canary. You got this. Uh-oh.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song.
Oh.
Can you fly?
Yes, she can fly. Uh-oh. Yep, Canary bombs. Nice. Ooh. Yep. Called it.
Fatality.
Nice. Yep, I called that.
Looks like Sindel's head is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger.
Yep.
The Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that.
Uh-huh.
Mammoth and Giganta. So I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster.
Yep.
And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
I know
Ooh.
what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That means the Canary Cry would be...
About 1 million times stronger than the Banshee Scream, and 500 megatons of TNT.
awesome.
Dang.
Is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different
Yep.
from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no fun about screams?
Well, I was
Wow.
gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner,
Ow.
Black Canary.
You had to sneak in another one. Alright. Next time on Death Battle. Woo! Leonardo returns against Jason the Red Ranger. Huh. That's a different death battle. Leonardo returns for his third death battle against... Man, we got another Power Ranger. And Jason returns as well, actually. Wow, both are returning death battle combatants, and it's a rematch. Well, not a rematch, but... Man. Leonardo has 2 victories under his belt when it came back in Season 1 when he beat his brothers and one of the Battletoads. And Jason lost his death battle against the many people from Voltron. Jesus Christ. But this is a single battle this time. I wonder how different this will be. We'll find out. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And if you like this video, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. So that said, this has been your Minion of the East. And until next time, take care, everyone.